Travel, financial, got the flow. AI solutions let your business grow. We'll take you where you need to go.
Hey, Mark Bravo here from Bravo Financial AI Digital Solutions. I'm coming today on this Friday evening. Hope you guys are having a good Friday, going to a good weekend. Obviously, I'm reaching out to business owners. I'm an AI consultant for business owners. And one of my projects I've been working on, I'm constantly working on apps for business owners to help, their lives easier. So one of the things that I've seen over the years, or many years actually, is QuickBooks, right? QuickBooks, I think they have 80% of the market. And everybody that I know, I give links to QuickBooks, right? I get to give a discount. And you got to get certified every couple of years. I hate QuickBooks. And everybody complains to me that QuickBooks is very difficult to learn. And it's true, you got to spend many hours to learn it. I mean, you had YouTube University to help people. You got AI to help you now, but still, there's a big learning curve to it. And found out, I have some friends that they're in the trades, and gave it to them, and I'd go over there, and they're still writing in a book because it's just too much trouble. So being an AI consultant, I've been on AI, like I said, since it just came out almost 3 years ago. And I bit the bullet and paid some money, and I became an AI consultant. And it's been a game changer for me. So I learned how to build software. So I'm going to show you something I'm building that I think for business owners, you'll find it very interesting. You won't have to use QuickBooks. You won't need an accountant, maybe to file your taxes, and maybe this year. Next year, for sure, you won't. You won't need a tax planner. You won't need nobody, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So let me go to my desktop. So this is a software I'm creating for bookkeeping. Way, way, way better than QuickBooks. QuickBooks is built on 20-year technology. My software is built on like technology now, like daily. The code changes daily, and it updates, and it gets better daily. So anyway, so here's what I just built. So stop paying thousands for bookkeeping and tax help. We do it for $49 or $97 if you want tax planning and bookkeeping, right? All automated. Don't gotta learn nothing. I'll show you. If you stick with me for a few minutes, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Tomorrow, I'm actually going to do a demonstration. I'll do one live. But today, I'll show you the software, and I'll show you what I'm putting together. So the problem, you're paying $6,000 to $20,000 a year just to know where your money is, right? So QuickBooks subscription, anyway from what, $38, depending where, what kind of money you're bringing in, to $75 a month. CPA to prepare your taxes, $500. I see minimum up to $5,000, again, depending what you're making. Bookkeeper to actually, so on QuickBooks, you actually need a bookkeeper to set it up for you, or you got to spend many hours to do it. And that's going to cost you $300 to $1,200 just for the setup. And then they're going to charge you so much a month, right, for bookkeeping. If you ain't got that many receipts and line items, it's not going to be that much. So it just depends what your business is. Tax planning. I don't know if you guys ever try to do tax planning. I've been learning tax planning for a few years, and I haven't started it yet. And then when AI came, I knew I was going to do a lot of things because of the knowledge I had. I can just put it into AI and it'll create it for me. So tax planning, though, if you go look out right now, you try to find somebody to help you with that. They're charging $1,500. Again, depends on your income, to $5,000 to thousands of dollars. Depends if you make millions, they're not going to charge you $5,000. They're going to charge you tons. So that's what's going on with the small business community. So this is our way versus QuickBooks. QuickBooks, steep learning curve, right? If you know you have it, I know it's a steep learning curve. Manual entry and categorization. Tax guidance, none, just tracks numbers. Niche features, generic for all businesses. Real costs, $38 to $275 a month, plus you're going to be paying a bookkeeper anyway, probably anywhere from $100 to $1,200, depending on the size of your business. Here's my solution. No learning curve. AI does everything, and I'll show you tomorrow a live demo. Data entry, all extracts, AI extracts and categorizes automatically. It does everything. Tax guidance, real-time tax impact and strategies. Niche features, job costing, fleet tracking, audit protection, and our cost is either 49 or 97. But you're not just getting my software. I'm going to show you something else. So I'm thinking because security is big for me, right? I deal with a lot of people's personal information. So I'm building as much security on my computer as possible. And I'm just buying another one tomorrow. And so we have been looking at it. So we've been setting security up. So I've figured out how can I dealing with AI. I asked, how can I said, why don't we build a hub, a security hub? So this is what I built. I'll show it to you in a minute. So this is the hub. It's security hub, your business command center. So all your apps go in there and they're going to be protected by security. So nobody can just go in your apps. They're going to have to go into the hub, then break into the apps. So you got all this protection right here, right? All this high security. You can connect the bookkeeping, the tax planning. If you're Go High Level, I have it already hooked up to Go High Level for you guys. Stripe, banking, Google Workspace, social media, everything. So what are you going to get with us? Zero learning curve, maximum results. Receipt scanning. So you have the app on the phone. You go to Costco, 80% for, your business. Scan the receipt. It goes right into the software. Software puts it into bookkeeping, puts it where it's supposed to be. You got to tell it what percentage was for business, unless it was 100. Done. You don't have to do nothing. You don't need nobody to do the bookkeeping for you. Does job costing, bank statement upload. You can load your bank statement from your business. And AI would go on there and pick it up and put it where it needs to go if you want to do that. Real-time reports, P&L, balance sheet, cash flow updated instantly. Everything's right there, you guys. Chart of accounts. Right now, if you do QuickBooks, guess what you got to do? You got to set it up. Here, you just got to put, you're an LLC, sole proprietor, S-Corp, C-Corp, and boom, they're created for you. And like I said, I'll be doing a demo tomorrow. And then I say, can I build a tax planning? So I know AI is amazing with numbers. Matter of fact, I'll put AI against any top CPA in this country. It does 99.5% accuracy on taxes. The best CPA probably does 97.8. So that's the best CPA. Any AI does probably 99.5 accuracy for taxes. So I'd rather have my taxes done by AI. Actually, you guys don't know, but it's being done by AI already. So my tax planning software works with the bookkeeping. All the numbers you put into bookkeeping will transfer to the tax planning. So you got an entity optimizer. If you really want to know what you should have, you go here and this will tell you, whether you're a real estate investor, whatever you are, it'll tell you what you should be. I trust AI over any attorney. Quarterly tax calculator. Right now, you got to pay somebody, right? You got to get your CPA, get your accountant, pay them. Hey, I'm going to pay quarterly. And then it's a constant battle. Here, you just push a button and it'll show what you should pay. Now, some industries don't have to. I always tell people pay quarterly. It just makes life easier. You can just pay quarterly. There's a number there, pay it. Boom. Since AI deduction finder. Any deduction there is in any business, this will find it for you. Tax strategy recommender. So tax planning is tax strategy, so you don't pay no money, right? Should you get an insurance policy, a life insurance policy, your company, whatever, right? It's gonna give you all these ways so you let your health benefits, so you eliminate taxes. This software does that, and they kind of talk to each other. So here's the deal I put together right now. Right now, if you just, like I said, I don't know who I'm talking to, right? I'm just going on Facebook Live. I'm hoping there's a lot of business owners on my feed and, having dinner or whatever. And they're saying, man, I hate QuickBooks. I like this AI program sounds pretty cool. So you can have it for 30 days for free. Play with it, do what you want with it. Just comment 30 days and I'll send it to you. I'll put all the information in the comments, right? So this is the bookkeeping. 49 bucks a month. But it's all done for you. You don't need a bookkeeper. You don't need a CPA or nothing no more. But you also, I'm giving you that. I'm giving you the the security hub. So you're going to get a security hub, and then I'll show you to you in a minute. And you can put all your apps in there, and everything's protected better than it is now. You want both, $97. But if you're really a smart business owner, you go with our ultimate programs called the Ultimate Business Solution. We do everything for you guys. We give you like 6 apps. This program, I mean, I can go on. I'm going to leave my link so you can set appointment up with us. If you're interested in this program, which is $3,000 down and $297 a month, but you're going to get this, so you're not going to be paying for that, and you're going to get our membership, which is a school membership that has everything you want to know about AIs in there. Our weekly mentorship program, which will be helping you get more clients, whatever you need on a weekly basis, how to do videos, whatever. We're going to set up your whole business up front, automate it. And so this is what you get for the $3,000 down and $297. You know why I talk about my prices? Because nobody can come close to me for what I do. We do funding, business credit. Like I said, I'll show you the apps right now. So yeah, I'm throwing you a deal, but if I don't offer you my deal, you ain't gonna see my product. So I'll be doing literally probably 5-6 videos a day on these products because they need to get out there. And I know my prices are better than anybody else. So you guys, so this is kind of how you look at the savings. Bookkeeping only, a year, you're gonna pay 50 to whatever a month, right? It could be 580, 80 or whatever. Complete, oh, that's mine, sorry. QuickBooks, it's gonna be about $3,300 a year. Bookkeeper, whatever you pay them, $100 a month, that's $1,200, you pay them $300, you know, so on. Tax prep. Now, tax prep, usually I see it more like $500 to $5,000. $1,200 is kind of high depending on your business. And then tax planning, I already told you, the bottom guy I know is $1,500 and they're going to charge thousands. You're going to get that for free all the time at your fingertips. Mine's bookkeeping only. If you just buy the bookkeeping product, it's $49, it's $588. If you get the complete solution, both of them, it's only $1,100 a year. Now, if you get the ultimate business solution, that's $6,000 the first year because of the down payment. We set you up automatically. If you need a website and all them things, like it says, you need to call us on that one to see if you need that. And then if it's 2 years, the second year, it's only $3,000. So you guys, you can start saving today. This is a better, easier, faster system than QuickBooks by far. And I'm gonna give it to you guys for 30 days so you can play with it. Now, what I would recommend is get it, play with it. Don't put all your company's information there. Just go real light, make sure all the numbers are matching. So for those use, and then at the end of that month, I'm gonna have your information because when you ask me for the app, you're gonna have to fill in your information. So I'll bill you at the end of 30 days, tell you what do you want. And if you want an appointment with me to find out about the ultimate business solution, then get an appointment with me. Because don't forget, for martial arts, I built their own software. For home service businesses, I think Titan Service, I looked what was the best software and I made one like Titan Service. So I have softwares for you guys. So let me show you the hub real quick before you guys leave, or before I end this live. So you see what I'm talking about. Boom. So here's the hub. This is a live hub that I'm actually building. This is mine. So this is going to have security. So you can put, I don't know, which, like if you have Go High Level, what else is out there, Infusionsoft, whatever softwares are out there, you can put your software in here. You're going to have a login to your software, right? But you're going to have a security high grade to get into this hub where you can put all your stuff in one place. You ain't got to go a whole bunch of places no more. If you're Go High Level, you can put it in here also. So, but these are the apps I built that you're going to get with my program if you buy it. So you got the bookkeeping and tax planning. The service suite, that's for home service businesses. This does everything, you guys. It's just as good as Titan if you're familiar with that. Bravo Studio Pro is with you got to get my ultimate business solution to get these two, because I got to do everything for you. This is a full, complete martial arts management software connected to our marketing software. Very powerful. Here's a Pathfinder and Profit on. Remember, you're getting all this stuff, you guys. Pathfinder and Profit Unlock. This is where if you want to pay any bill off, save for a vacation, pay your house off quick, this will help you do that. Get out of debt. This is a Vault Guardian. So you put everything, your very precious stuff, right? So I built this because when we had the fires here in California and Pasadena, I seen a lady on news said she didn't have anything. They didn't have a safe with their paper, nothing. So you can put all your stuff in here. And I do videos on this stuff all the time. So you can put like funeral plans, your trusts, your business information, your corporation. I wish I lost my black belt certificates years ago. I would have them here. I could just print them out. And then you're also going to get another app that runs your corporation or your LLC. Tells you when you got to pay, statement information, all that stuff is in here. It has other stuff in here, how to get, how to track grants. Oh, I show my clients how to get grants if they're valid, if they have a certain type of business. Then I built my own podcast, right? I keep saying I'm gonna start it, but I'm ready. It's already finished, so I'm gonna start my podcast soon. All things AI. And then admin, you won't get that because this is just me, because this is where I control, everybody. And then this is my CRM system. So let me see if this is at least working. Go to bookkeeping. So this is the bookkeeping page where you would sign in, or I'll send it to you, right? It's just, telling you a little bit about the software. Introducing AI bookkeeping, built-in tax planning that saves you thousands of dollars. You want to compare me to QuickBooks? Everything's instant. There's manual 24/7. Oh, take a look at this. See this little guy? I have AI and everything, you guys. This thing is, I loaded it. There's probably nobody. I'll put my bot against anybody on the planet with tax information. Any question you want, it answer for you. And it knows about the software too, so it'll help you with that. And that's in every page. Yeah, I even have it on this. On the hub, I even have it. I just want to see that part's live yet. Probably not. So I'm gonna do a live demonstration like this tomorrow. So this is where you start. When I send you a link, this is the welcome to it's gonna walk you right through everything, right? Snap and categorize receipts, real-time finance. So boom, let's get started. It's all automatic. Oh, this is the inside of the app itself. So as you can see, it has dashboard, invoices, integration, depreciation calculator, estimate. I mean, this thing has everything, you guys. There's nothing you will never need to know outside of you. Never need a bookkeeper. You never need a CPA. Now you might, to do taxes, we do taxes. We do them pretty cheap because we use AI. And right now I'm building a software. So this software is going to be tied to all these three things. It'd be so simple to do your taxes. And then all you're going to do, it'll probably be right here somewhere in tax. Boom, you just click it at the end of the year. You fill in your company information. It'll ask you the questions. When it's finished, you press and send the money, whatever you've done. So you won't have to pay nobody for taxes no more. It'll be built into here. So let me see if it goes back to the hub. I don't know. It's working. So everything's working, you guys. So back in the hub, and don't you think it'd be pretty cool? You can put all your freaking everything in one place. You just come in, log in the hub, and here they all are. Whatever you got, makes life easier, right? So anyways, you guys, I'll put the information in the comments. I don't know who in the hell I'm talking to. I don't know who in the hell listening to me. But I tell you one thing. I listen to Gary V, right? He's kind of he's a guy I follow. I don't know if you guys know who Gary V is, but you know who he is. He's relentless on social media. So you just got to keep showing up, he says, and eventually they'll show up. So you guys have a good evening, have a good weekend. I'll be doing some demos tomorrow, some lives on the actual software if you want to see it, how it actually works, how easy it'll be for your life instead of QuickBooks. All right.